You're watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain, and guys, today I am here to tell you step by step if you are willing to go to Germany for education, for your further studies, then what are the steps which you need to follow step by step to go to Germany, to settle down there for education and everything. So I hope this video will be so much helpful for you. Before that, let me just tell you, if you want to go to Germany, then you can go for the education, for your further studies, for master, for a graduation, for house building course. In case you want to go for the jobs, then also you can go for the jobs. So there are different categories of going and planning to Germany. In case you want any further detailed video, you can comment down below. I will be so much happy to make a detailed video over that. For house building, I have already created the detailed video. Here I will be putting that video. What are the new changes which have come up in Germany in 2024, which is very must if you are planning to go to Germany. That also we have launched, so I will be putting video here, and a lot of new content, a lot of new videos we are putting up daily, like all the alternate days. So please stay tuned. And now let's start with the first step, that how you can actually go to Germany for education. So guys, very first step for going to Germany is your education documents. So you should be having the education documents which I am listing. So I have just written out here. Let me just read it for you. So first is SOP. SOP is very important. Second, your 10th and 12th mark sheet, of course, that is mandate. Then your bachelor mark sheet and transcript which you will be getting from your college itself. IELTS. So for the IELTS, if you are looking for the IELTS practice, then German Gyan make you practice for the IELTS. We are having IELTS trainers with us, so in case you want any help for the IELTS, then you can just contact us on this given number. And further, you want your CV. CV should be very much professional. Make sure for CV also we have created one video, not specially for the education, that was for jobs, but still in case you want, I will be putting here that link. APS certificate, again very important. If you that is very mandate which you need to submit. Next is LOR and LOM. So LOR is basically a letter of recommendation, which if you want we can write for you. If you are a student of us, then of course we can write. Otherwise, whosoever is your teacher or trainer, go to them and they will be updating you for the same. And LOM is your letter of motivation which you need to write by yourself. So that is also very mandate, and make sure you are writing in a proper way how you have to submit, because these things are very important. Each letter is having their own importance while you are submitting and while your application is accepted by the universities. So make sure you are doing tip top. Let's come to the second point. So guys, the next thing which I want to tell you is shortlisting of universities. Again, this is a very important step. So for this, I will only recommend you other YouTubers, other people are recommending you lots of things, but I will be suggesting you only one website, which is DART. So on the DART, you will be getting every university, private or public, over there. So you have to select the best for you. I will recommend you go for the public, do not go for the private, but still if you are not getting in public, then you can go for the private also. But do choose the best for you according to you, and make sure while you are giving the application, make sure every document is absolutely perfect. So guys, the third step is of course the funds. As a student, if you are not aware, then you have to open the block account. For the detailed block account video, I will be coming up with the next video. I think so next alternate days you will be getting that video, that how and what is the whole procedure to open block account in Germany while sitting in India, because you can do that. So I will be telling you the whole procedure. Already we have uploaded one video how to open your bank account in Germany. So I will be putting link here. So you can watch. That is also the whole procedure, that how you can do that. So basically in the third point, I just want to tell you that funds is very important. You should have the minimum funds in your block account so that you can go there and survive there. And again, I'm telling you, if you are going to Germany, after having the block account of the certain amount which is required, you should carry the cash, so that in the starting months you can survive with that cash, because block account also takes some time to open, like unblock there, because every month you will be getting the certain amount from Germany block account to survive in Germany. I hope this is clear. Let's come to the next point. So guys, the next step is that once you are done with your documents, once you are done with the selecting your universities, and then you are having your block account also. Now what? So now you have to send your application with all the documents which we have mentioned in the first point. So you should be having all the documents, everything. I will be telling you basic German. If you are knowing, that is the best, because that upgrades your level of the application. So you have to send all the things to the university for the particular course. You have to select the particular course in that university. Finding and selecting the university is one thing, but like particularly opting the particular course is the second thing. So you have to apply the application for to the certain university for the certain particular course. So guys, the last but not the least step is that you have to apply for your visa in a certain German embassies, like not certain, in certain country embassies. So here you have to go and apply for your visa in German embassy, and you have to submit some important documents there. So let me just read out for you which I have mentioned. Cover letter, your proof of your financial means, block account, which means block account, proof of the study, enrollment certificates or something like that in your education institute or college or wherever, and health insurance, which is mandated in Germany. And if there is having any additional or subtraction in the document courses, that you can just, while applying, you will be having the whole list in front of you on that particular website. So that is very mandated. So these are the 4 to 5 steps which you need to do to step to Germany for education. So I hope this detailed video is so much helpful for you. Stay tuned for the next video which is coming up for the blocked account, that how you have to open your block account sitting in India of Germany. So please stay tuned. That video will gonna be specifically for the students who like for them basically it's a mandate thing. So we'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep sharpening love and keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care, cheers, and see you in the next video. Cheers.